Today I'm going to show you how to make kulfi, 2 different ways. This traditional South Asian ice cream is sweet, creamy, and addictive. And you can make it in just 2 easy steps. Hello, I'm Masala Mama. Make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to receive notifications when I post new recipe videos. Chalo, let's go! To make 1 batch of kulfi, about 20 popsicle sticks, you'll need 1 can of evaporated milk, 1 can of sweetened condensed milk, 2 cups of whipping cream, 2 slices of crustless white bread, a 1/4 teaspoon kewra essence, 1/4 teaspoon cardamom essence. If you want, for extra flavoring and decoration and a nice crunch, you can use pistachios or almonds. The first step is just to blend all the ingredients together in a food processor. I start with the bread slices to get them to crumble more easily. Then I add the whipping cream, evaporated milk, and condensed milk. Give it a quick blend to make sure all the breadcrumbs and creams mix together. Now, add the cardamom and kewra essences, which will add the classic flavor to the kulfi, and give it one last blend. At this point, you can blend in some crushed nuts, like almonds, if you want them to spread throughout the kulfi. I'm not going to add them to mine right now, but I'll show you how to add them later as a coating. The second step is even easier than the first one. Freeze your kulfi. The first and classic way to eat kulfi is in a popsicle form. To make it easier to pour the kulfi in the molds, you can first pour the mixture into a large measuring cup. Pour the mixture as close to the top as possible. Higher than what I'm showing you, you'll see why this is important in a minute. Pop in the popsicle sticks and pop them in your freezer for at least 8 to 10 hours. The second way to freeze kulfi is in a container with an additional layer of plastic wrap. Freeze overnight. And that's pretty much it. Take the popsicles out of the freezer and run the outside under some warm water to loosen them up. You'll see here that my stick came out of the mold without the kulfi on it. Not good. To avoid this, make sure your sticks are long enough, you fill the molds as close to the top as possible, and the outside has thawed enough so it slides out more easily. Use long, flat wooden popsicle sticks if your molds don't come with sticks that are long enough. This one's good! You can easily roll your kulfi sticks in some crushed pistachios or almonds to add extra flavor and a nice crunch. You'll want to serve them ASAP. For a traditional ice cream scoop style, just take your container out of your freezer and scoop away. Top with nuts. No matter how you choose to serve your kulfi, make sure to enjoy it with others. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and please leave any questions in the comments below. We do read them. Your support means a lot, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share with your friends and family. Until next time, Masala Mama out.